Bring you my December Secret Not Secret Kit Club today. Got it in the mail. Last week I got my sneak peek, which this is my sneak peek I got last week, and I was very excited when I got it. It looks like I have a lot of goodies in here. So basically what I did is I took the tissue paper off. I took it out of the wrapping because I figured it'd be easier that way. And first things I'm going to do is, oh, I got a stencil. I see a stencil. First thing I'm going to do is go through the papers. So we have the Maggie Holmes Gathered, which this is gorgeous, with the green, the dark green, or the navy and the yellow. I love this paper. And then on the back is just a simple dot. I'm sure I'm going to be using this side, though, if I fussy cut these. Yeah, that's beautiful. Then, let's see, this is gathered as well. I love the navy within here and the yellow. This is pretty. This is very pretty as well, and I like the back. I don't know. Might use both sides. Ooh, sparkle. Let me some sparkle. Okay, this looks like, okay, this came from, I'm not sure where this came from, but I like the X in it and the glitter. Awesome. Oop, I got a stray star. I love this as well. I can do a lot with that. Not sure where that one came from. Then this is Falala, and that's crepe paper. This is cute. I've never seen this one before. And then just a green check on the back. Clean and Simple, Webster Pages. I like that a lot. I'm finding I like a lot of Webster Pages. I've been watching YouTube videos and stuff, and a lot of people use that, and I like their paper. They have some nice designs. This one's super cool. Oh, cut apart. Good Vibes. Adventure, Good Vibes, Smile, Think Happy. 4 or 5. I really like this for some reason. The Off-Grid. That is cool. So those are the papers. The llama. Super cool. That's cool. And then I'm excited because I have no Delusion paints. This is Rose Quartz. And here, I'll hold it up that way because I think, yeah, that'd be tough to get out. Of course, I gotta pull it out. Sorry. There we go. So that's going to be fun to play with. And then this I was very excited about. So this is Vicky Booten, I think you pronounce her name. It's a glaze. Gold glaze. I'm sure I will be Googling this to see what I can accomplish with this. But this looks really like a lot of fun, especially with both of them together. Ooh, exciting. And then I got... Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I seen Christina do this on a scrap weekend. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And there's 4 stencils in the pack. This is the one that we've seen her use. And it was awesome. So there's one. Oh, here's paper there. Sorry. Very excited. So there's one of the stencils. I think there's 4. Maybe there's 3. And here's another. And then a script one as well. Yeah, 3. There's a scripty one. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. This is going to be awesome. It's going to be so much fun. All right. So we have that. And then we have Together Gold Thickers. Gotta love yourself some thickers. I love thickers. Those are cool. And then we have Maggie Holmes 84 stickers. I'm going to assume this is Shine because it says Shine Bright with word stickers and XO typewriter. Just got a typewriter for Christmas. I can't wait to use that as well. These are cool. These will go with the paper really well. And then doilies. We always get our doilies. I'll pull those apart later. But everybody uses their doilies. Love. They add dimension to the page. So easy too. Okay, so I think this is a 6x8. Oh yeah, oh, I like that. So 2 6x8 papers, and then these are my 6x6. Actually, these are probably bigger. I'm not sure what size those are. I love these. They go very well together. All right, and then very curious what's in here. Oh, I bet it's Wassy. Maybe? Oh. Oh, hearts. There's my hearts. I got some resin flowers. I still have to figure out how to use those flowers. It just seems like they add so much dimension. So I said, I think last kit that I was going to build something up and then put them within what I built up, whatever that shape would be. So I got to work on that. And then this, it's not washi tape, kind of like a bordering tape. And it's hearts. It's kind of cool, actually. Instead of ribbon, it's like a paper ribbon. I like that a lot. Put that off to the side there. Let's see, I got one more goodie bag here. I do love these bags too. I use these throughout my scrapbooking pages. So these are labels, sticky labels, and they have gold finish on them, on some of them, and they're different colors. I like these. These are nice. I think they're not too shiny, so we should be able to write on them like that. Here's my good times. That's what was in my sneak peek. I love this. That is awesome. And this bird, I love that as well. Let's see, we got Gato 2, Saturday, Sunday. I'm sure I will use that. Oh, I love... Oh, these are going to go with the paper so well. You're my favorite. This clustering square. And the butterflies. Open, open. Oh, okay. Awesome. And I have these 3 little baggies, extra bags that I can use in gold. Those are awesome. Thank you so much, Christina. This kit is awesome. And my stray star. I also got the kit, or I'm sorry, the prize for the November scrap weekend. So that came with my December kit. So I'll run through that real quick as well. And first I got a book, a scrapbook and cards, winter 2017. And I really like these because I can go through and I can either pick a layout and do the whole layout, or I can pick like pieces and parts. Like I may just pick this card and then use that on a 12 by 12 layout. Oh, I have the paper. Sorry. Got excited. So they help me with inspiration, with just different layouts, orientation, or elements that I can use on my pages. So I always like going through those. These are Prima Marketing papers, and I think there's 2 collections in here. There's a Melody collection, and the other one is Springtime, I think. Well, when we get to it, I'll tell you what it is. But here's the paper that I got as well. So Gathering Leaves Melody Collection. And this is the back side, which I like both sides of this, so that's going to be tough deciding. This one is Potting Shed, which I like this, but I like this too if you could use this as matting on this side. So I may just cut out the middle and use this as a border and then use that as matting. This color is awesome. It's a deep burgundy. Love it. Chateau. But I like this side as well. Again, I like the purple. This is Melody Collection Poppy. I like the yellow with the pink and that's very light blue. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting's not the greatest in here. And I do like the teal aqua-ish with the goldish yellow. I will probably, if I use the side, I will use it for matting, but I think I'm going to end up using this side. This one, I may cut out this middle and use it because I like to have lines when I'm journaling because I'm terrible at writing straight. I'm always writing crooked. This is Timeless, and I'll probably end up using this side of this one. This is called Melody, and it looks like it's maybe a mishmash of the whole Melody collection put together. And then that's just a regular burgundy with light pink dots. This is Breeze. I like that. It's light, airy. But see, then you have the lined paper again on the other side, which I like a lot. Sparkling Spring Collection, Bonjour. What I like about this is coming off my December daily, this is light and airy. And doing the December daily, it was, you know, the greens and the reds and the golds. And so I really like this paper. I think I will be working with that sooner than later. That's the B-side. And then this is Songbird, which I like this little flourish here, and I could put a pincher. It could be a quick, simple layout. Or this is like a distressed off-white side. What is this? Okay, this is Sparkling Spring Collection, Mimi. I like this as well. But I'll probably end up using this side because I do like the script on the back of it. So, but that was my prize for the November Scrap Challenge weekend. And so that's my kit. Very excited to start using it. I'm sure I'm going to play with my stencils and my mixed media. That's going to be one of the first things on my list of things to do. Thank you so much, Christina. You hit it out of the ballpark, 110%. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.